Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be doing some brown stew chicken and rice and peas. So guys, this is my chicken. I'm gonna be adding some soy sauce to it, and we're gonna fry it. We're gonna brown it up. We're gonna fry it till it's brown. We don't want to add any browning to our meat. Yeah, so we're gonna fry it till it's brown. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So guys, we have our milk here in our pot boiling up. So now we're gonna add our scotch bonnet pepper and our scallion and thyme because we already have our milk in it, and then we're going to add some pimento seed to it also. There we have it, washed, and add some pimento seed also to it. So we're going to leave it for the milk to boil properly. Okay guys, we're going to also add a piece of butter to it, but we're going to allow it to boil a bit first. Okay, so there we have it. We add in our meat, our chicken to fry. We're gonna fry them until they are golden brown. Remember now we're cooking some brown stew chicken. Okay guys, so our chicken is taking its time and getting there. We want them to be golden brown, so yeah, they're getting there. Now we have our rice pot over here. We're about to wash our rice now to add it in. We already add our salt and our things, you already see. Alright, so now we're going to wash our rice. Wash it properly. Okay guys, you know we have to wash the rice and wash it good too. So we're gonna wash the rice and we're gonna add it in, and we're gonna put a little butter into our rice and peas. Okay guys, so we're adding our butter to our rice now. So now we're gonna just stir it and leave it for it to simmer down and steam out. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, so that's our rice and peas there. So guys, this is our chicken. So whenever time you see us back, all our chicken is golden brown. Okay guys? Yeah. Okay guys, this is the first set I would take out. They're golden brown now. Yeah. Okay guys, so you can see our pimento seed, our pepper, scallion, and thyme. Rice and peas finished steaming out now guys, so you know we will stir it up and thing. Don't forget to tell a friend to run come over Martin's Empire to come watch the bad rice and peas I cook. Alright, okay guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay guys, so this is our chicken. Now we're adding back to the pot. We add a little oil to it. Now we're gonna pour some water into it and leave it to boil. Here's our vegetable. I'm gonna wash them and cut them up to throw them out in the pot now guys, so stay tuned, don't go nowhere. So guys, here's our vegetable, our carrot there, our onion, our pepper, our thyme, and our sweet pepper, and we have our Irish potato right there. So as soon as our pot started to boil up, we're going to add in our vegetables to it. Okay guys, you will see how it goes. Okay, now guys, we're going to add in our vegetables. Yep, add in all our vegetables and leave it for it to cook. Yeah guys, so this is our finishing product. Yep, brown stew chicken. You guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing touch of our brown stew chicken, rice and peas. We have our lettuce right there. Yeah, we have our vegetable right there with our cabbage, carrot, tomato and sweet pepper. Yeah guys, this is the finishing touch of our dish. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Martin's Empire. Peace out. Bye for now.